Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a playable idea and picking the platform because hardware shapes design. Choose Unity or Unreal and install the OpenXR or Vendor SDK, then create a new XR project. Import a simple environment and one interactable object so you can iterate fast. Once done, wire up the camera rig, map controllers or hand tracking, and implement a single grab/interact action. This gives you a testable loop immediately and avoids wasting time on polish before core mechanics work. Next, focus on how virtual content fits into the real world. Enable spatial mapping, create persistent anchors, and align coordinate frames so objects don't drift. Then implement occlusion and depth-aware physics so virtual and physical objects interact believably. Optimize with baked LODs, culling, and light probes to keep frame rate steady on target hardware. If your game needs multiplayer or saved scenes, integrate a lightweight networking or cloud anchoring solution now, and test sync under real conditions to catch edge cases early. To finish, refine onboarding, add haptics and spatial audio, and attach telemetry for player behavior and performance. Prepare signed builds and test store packaging, permissions, and privacy flows. Run closed betas on real devices and collect logs to prioritize fixes. When you're ready, deploy and monitor crash and tracking metrics to iterate quickly. If tracking drifts or objects jitter, recalibrate your anchors, check sensor fusion settings, simplify collider shapes, and reduce dynamic lights. These fixes usually restore stable mixed reality alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.